Let's divide 456 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're loving these math mysteries, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a fun-filled lesson on Let's Stud. Ready to divide 456 by 2? Let's start with the first digit, 4. We look at the first digit, 4. We're using just this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Let's write that down. 4 minus 4 equals 0. We have no remainder. Great job. You're doing amazing. Each step is a victory. Now, let's bring down the next digit, 5, to join our remainder. We're on to the next digit. We now have 5 to work with. We bring down the next digit, 5, and place it next to our remainder, 0. Now we have 5. How many times does 2 go into 5? It goes in 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Let's write that 4 below the 5. 5 minus 4 equals 1. We have a remainder of 1. Awesome work, you're getting closer to the answer. Let's bring down the last digit, 6, to join the remainder 1. Last step, we have the number 16 to divide. We bring down the 6 and place it next to the remainder 1, forming 16. How many times does 2 fit into 16? It's 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. Perfect. 16 minus 16 equals 0. No remainder left. Woohoo, you did it. We've reached the end. And that's it. We've successfully divided 456 by 2. So, we found out that 456 divided by 2 is 228. We just conquered dividing 456 by 2, step by step. Remember, even big numbers become simple with a clear plan. Keep practicing, and you'll be a long division wizard in no time. Great job, everyone! Keep that math energy going by checking out more awesome videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.